Okay, so today I will be showing you guys how to install your ps5 vertically and horizontally. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe because, I just want to do good. I'd also like to say that I'm on my road to 1,000 subscribers, so please help me out with that. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how to do the standing up way. And personally, this is my favorite way, and both of them are really easy. The standing up way is just a little more hard to do, but they're both really easy. So first, you're going to get your ps5, set it down on any surface, and then when you get your ps5, it should come with a stand like this that can turn and rotate. So when you get your stand, it should be rotated. It may or may not be rotated, but if it is, you're going to rotate it so this is aligned. Once it is, it will reveal a little screw. You're gonna take this out. Once you take it out, you're gonna set this down somewhere safe. Do not lose the screw, okay? Very important. And then down here, there's a little cap right here. Even with short fingernails, you will be able to take this thing off. Sorry for the bad camera focus, but even with short fingernails, you'll be able to take this thing off by just putting a fingernail on there, taking it off. Keep this part, very important. And the way you keep it is by taking this, and there'll be a compartment right here that you'll put it in, right there. And now, this next part is really easy. Now you're just gonna take it, line it up. Line it up. It's easiest to do when it's a little levitated. So line it up. Make sure it does not fall. Make sure it's under tug. Alright, I'm gonna do this in my lap. So basically, what you're gonna do is you're gonna line it up. Make sure it's snug and tight, and then you're gonna put the screw in and tighten it until you cannot tighten it no more. Do not put it too tight, just in case you'll put it horizontal. Okay, so once you have done that part successfully, the bottom of the ps5 should look something like this. And yeah, and then if it doesn't fall, shake it a few times, it doesn't fall, it's good. And that's how you put your ps5 vertically. Next, I'm gonna show you how to do it horizontally. Okay, so to do it horizontally, you will not need the screw down here. So to do it horizontally, you will turn it so you do not see the screw no more like that. And once it cannot go no more, you're good. So it's gonna look something like this when you turn it enough so it can go horizontally. If you make it go horizontal, all you do is set it down. I don't want to break my ps5, but all you do is set it down like this and make sure it's nice and snug on there. Make sure that these two prongs are like touching, well, almost touching the ps5. So usually what I do is align the square and X, or almost align it so like the prong is barely touching the square and it's almost fully covering the X and half the circle. Like that. That's how you horizontally do the ps5. As you can see, horizontal is the easiest way, but I don't like the way this looks because I just don't think it looks nice. Because the disk drive is all the way down here if you do have the disk version, so it's not very convenient. But yeah, that's how you do both ways of horizontal and vertical for ps5. Enjoy.